Why do men have fewer friends than ever? Let's talk about it. A 2021 survey identified that since 1990, the number of men reporting to have no close friends jumped from 3% to 15%. So how has this happened, especially at a time when staying connected with your friends on social media is easier than ever? Well, there's actually a few reasons why this happens. Firstly, the pressures men are sometimes put under at a young age to suppress their emotions can leave us feeling isolated. For example, only 21% reported receiving emotional support from friends in comparison to 41% of women. Teaming this with less office time post-COVID and that young men are more likely to live with their parents than women, perhaps it's not surprising that close male friendships are falling. And if you've moved away from your hometown, these social pressures make it harder to maintain deep connections with your friends or even build new ones. This sometimes involves relocating for your dream job or even uni. So just how does moving to a new place affect your ability to make friendships? Research shows that social isolation from relocating can weaken the immune system and make someone more likely to suffer with high blood pressure, sleep disruption, and inflammation. Now this of course has a knock-on effect when it comes to your energy to make new friends. In addition to this, diving into the fear of the unknown can affect your willingness to form new friendships. A study published in 2016 found that moving participants who were more attached to their old city were less likely to let go of their friendships, discarding new bonds in the next phase of their life. So whether you've moved to a bustling city or to a quaint countryside location, friendships are just as important for all of us. I would love to hear your stories. Have you relocated, and if so, how have you found making new friends?